Welcome to another edition of Sport-Flo Outdoors. Well, it's that small period of time between Christmas and New Year's, and Kelly and I thought what better to do than to see the old boy from up north, Kelly's dad George, up in northern Minnesota. And we knew there might be some snow, so we got ahead of it and got up here. And sure enough, the snow came. And it slows you down if you want to go out and drive around, but if you're going to stay put, it's beautiful and it can be a lot of fun. And now that the storm is mostly past, all the little creatures out in the woods will be looking for something to eat. Here's a new one. How about let's play whack-a-mole, but with squirrels? With the right tools, the job gets done. I'm going to tell Kelly I need one of these. The snow is slowly subsiding. They finally got the roads plowed out after a day and a half or so, and now neighbors are off to help other neighbors dig out. Well, we finally got dug out and made it back to the homestead here, our home. And it was a great trip. It went on longer than we thought due to being snowed in. But I guess the realization, the take from the whole trip is some of the best times are had when you've got nothing else to do but dig a little snow and sit back and wait for the plow to come. We had a great time together. Thanks for watching.